Hey everybody, it's the Double P with today's Equipment Minute. And up today we have a used McHale V6750 round baler. This unit is a 2024 model year, has 1,165 bales through it. It has the 15 knife cutter option. It will bale a 4x5 size bale. Has the double drive system, is 1,000 PTO, has the McHale base monitor for in your tractor, and as you can see it has the large flotation tires on it. The McHale balers are built in Ireland and shipped over here. If you are looking for top quality, new or used farm or construction equipment, give me a call. The chips are never down when Paul's around.